My name is Ryan. I am your mini reporter today. I am here to share news with you. In September 2018, a super typhoon named Mako hit Hong Kong and Macau. It raining winds and heavy rain, which many trees to fall down and roll the floor. Hong Kong had the risk for the typhoon for 10 long hours because for the bad weather and bad road. School were closed to keep everyone safe. That is all for today's special news reporter. Thank you.